Variables and data types. Variable is named location used to store data in the memory. It's helpful to think of variable as container that holds data that can be changed later in the program. In first example, we have created variable named number. We have assigned the value 10 to the variable and after that change its value to 1.1. For assigning multiple values to multiple variables, we can do it as it's shown on the second image. Also, there is example of assigning the same value to multiple variables at once. Every value in Python has data type. Since everything is object in Python programming, data types are actually classes, and variables are instances of these classes. There are various data types in Python. Some of the important types we are going to discuss. Integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers fall under Python numbers category. They are defined as int, float, and complex classes in Python. We can use type function to know which class of variable or value belongs to. Similarly, the isInstant function is used to check if object belongs to particular class. On corresponding snippets, you can see the code example with its output. Integers can be of any length. It's only limited by the available memory. A floating point number is accurate up to 15 decimal places. Integer and floating points are separated by decimal points. 1 is integer, 1.0 is floating point number. Complex numbers are written in the form x plus yj, where x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. You can read details about complex numbers separately. List is ordered sequence of items. It's one of the most used data type and it's very flexible. All the items in list don't need to be the same type. Declaring list is pretty straightforward. Items separated by commas are enclosed within brackets. We can use the slicing operator to extract item or range of items from the list. The index starts from 0. Also lists are mutable, meaning the value of elements can be altered. The code example of all mentioned operations is shown on the screen. Tuple is ordered sequence of items, same as a list. The only difference is that tuples are immutable. Tuples once created cannot be modified. They are used to write protect data and usually faster than lists, as they cannot change dynamically. It's defined within parentheses where items are separated by commas. We can use the slicing operator to extract items, but we cannot change its value. String is sequence of Unicode characters. We can use single quotes or double quotes to represent strings. Multi-line strings can be denoted using triple quotes. Just like list and tuple, the slicing operator can be used with strings. However, strings are immutable. Set is an ordered collection of unique items. Set is defined by values separated by comma inside braces. Items in set are not ordered. We can perform set operations like union and intersection on two sets. Sets have unique values. They eliminate duplicates. Since sets are an ordered collection, indexing has no meaning. Hence, the slicing operator doesn't work. Dictionary is an ordered collection of key-value pairs. It's generally used when we have a huge amount of data. Dictionaries are optimized for retrieving data. We must know the key to retrieve the value. In Python, dictionaries are defined within braces with each item being a pair in the form key and value. Key and value can be of any type. We use key to retrieve the respective value, but not vice versa. We can convert between different data types by using different type conversion functions, like int, float, string, etc. Conversion from float to int will truncate the value. Conversion to and from string must contain compatible values. We can even convert one sequence to another. To convert to dictionary, each element must be a pair.